So, did you know that you can make profit when the stock goes down? Sounds interesting, right? So guys, this is called as short selling in trading, and today I'll be explaining you how it works. So hi guys, my name is Darshan. I'm trading from last 7 years plus, and I'll be sharing you a lot of educational content in my channel. So kindly do subscribe to my channel if you're watching for the first time. Okay? So when the market is falling or when the stocks are falling, short selling are usually performed. And remember that short selling does come with risk. So your loss is unlimited if the stock price keeps on rising. So normally we buy a stock at a lower price and sell a stock at a higher price to make a profit. So this is a buy and sell trade, but technically we call it as long trade. But in short selling, it's opposite to that. So you sell a stock first and buy it when the stock has come down. So this is called as short selling. So yes, you can sell a stock first without buying, but it's only possible in intraday in stocks. But if you want to hold your short selling position, the holding for overnight can be done on future on options only. But in this video, we'll talk about the stocks only. And also guys, if you guys are looking to improve your trading knowledge and skill, you can join our educational course today. So in my course, we focus on improving and giving you the education about the trading. So we teach you the strategies without indicators, and we teach you about trading discipline, technical and fundamental analysis, and how to analyze the chart. And please note, trading will involve risk, so we'll teach you about the risk management factor as well. So if you guys are interested, you can contact me on the number displayed on the screen. So how does this short selling work, and how can you sell without buying first? Let me just quickly explain you how the short selling works. So you borrow a shares from your broker. So whichever broker you are using, for example, let's take Zerodha, Upstock, Angelware, or any broker you are using to trade. When you click on sell button in intraday, so you borrow a share from the broker and sell them at the higher price. And later you exit the trade or you buy back at the lower price. Okay, so for example, you sell a stock at 100 and you exit at rupees 80. So now this difference is your profit. So this is a short selling method and this is how it works. So now let's talk about how short selling is done. So first, search for the stock which you want to short sell, and once you select the stock, click on sell button. So once you click on sell button, enter the quantity how much you need to sell and click on sell. So now the sell is complete, and after your sell is complete, go to the position and set your target and the stop loss for the trade what you have taken. And yes, short selling can be profitable and also it is risky. So any trade you do in the market is risky. Your losses are unlimited if the stock price keeps rising in short selling. So always remember that whenever you're taking trade on short selling side, you have to strictly keep your target and stop losses also.